guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Before anything else, I would like to greet all of my subscribers. Happy New Year, and thank you very much for all of your support. Today, we'll talk about one basic in pastry making, and this is called Pate Sucree in French, or in English, it's a sweet crust for tarts and tartlets and pies. This is used as shell of the famous dessert Fruit Tartlette, or sometimes Fruit Tart. So after we make our Pate Sucree or Sweet Tartlette shell, we will continue on the next video in preparing a Fruit Tartlette. But first, we'll talk about Pate Sucree. We will make a basic tartlette shell, sweetened. By the way, for first timers in our channel, after watching the video later on, please subscribe. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell just down there. It's either there or there, or so that you'll be notified for the next uploading of our video. And also, don't forget to like and don't forget to comment so that I would know what your reaction is in the video. So, without further ado, we'll start with the ingredients. 50 grams castor sugar, 185 grams all-purpose flour, 125 grams butter cut to pieces, approximately 17 ml of cold water, a bit more than 1 tablespoon. We'll be using 2 pieces medium egg yolks. First, we'll have to put our butter and sugar in our mixing bowl. Okay, so all of it, both the sugar and butter. Okay, now, then we will have to cream it. Okay, there. First, at medium speed. You have to scrape the mixture occasionally. You just have to stop the machine and just scrape it and push some of the mixture into the paddle. Yes. By the way, you have to use a paddle, a saddle, and not a wire whisk in creaming the butter. Okay. Stop the machine and then scrape again. Again, you have to push the mixture into that saddle or paddle. Okay, so that it will be well mixed. Get it, guys? Then we'll just have to continue mixing. Okay. After a few minutes, we will have to scrape it again for a well-mixed butter and sugar mixture. Get it, guys? We'll just have to scrape and push again the mixture into the saddle before we mix it again. Okay, so that we can have well mixed mixture later on. There, we'll have to mix it again, and we have to mix it well. Okay, we have to stop the machine and mix it for the last time for a more well mixed mixture. Okay, so that's it. Well, at this point, we have to stop the machine and we will have to add the egg yolks one by one, mixing it well at medium speed until it is well mixed. Okay, so at low to medium heat, low to medium speed. Okay, so the egg will go there one after another. At this point, we have to stop the machine and then we will add the flour a little at a time, alternating with cold water until we get a smooth texture. Okay, the flour, then a little bit of water, and then the flour again. Okay, there goes the flour again, and then a little bit of water. Make sure it is cold water. Then the flour again. Okay, until we consume all the flour. And then, okay, the flour. So we finish the flour. And then a little bit more of cold water. Okay, and then we'll mix it. Mix well. We increase a little bit the speed, and then we'll turn it off, and then it's done. So we'll just have to take out the bowl from the machine. Okay, that's it. And then we will take the mixture out of the bowl. Okay. Okay. Now the bowl is out of the machine, and now we will mix it well again, and then form it into a bowl and place it in plastic. Yes. Okay, we'll place it there in the plastic because we have to chill this well, okay, before we start using it. Okay, we have to chill it a minimum of 1 hour inside the chiller or refrigerator before we start preparing the shell. But we have to knead it before we use. Okay guys, let's start. First we should have soft butter that we will be using. We will use it to brush these tartlette shells, and these two we will use it to cut our dough. Okay, so let's start. First we have to roll this one. A little dust of flour, and then we will cover it with plastic and then start rolling. Yes, okay. Roll it until thin, about 1/8 of an inch. Okay. So, and then now we will start to brush the bottom side of the tartlette shell. Yes, the bottom side. Yes. Okay. Then we will cut our crust by using a bigger mold. Okay. Then we will put it in the battered mold, but I'll be using the outside portion of the tartlette mold, not the inside portion. That's the way I do it. Okay, so just press it a little bit. Okay, and then we'll do the same to the rest of our mold. Okay. We'll just break the top by the fork so that it will not bubbles when we bake it. Okay. Now I'll put it in my baking tray lined with silpat. Okay, and then afterwards I have to chill all of this before we bake it, so it should be chilled first. Okay, so I'll put it in the fridge. Okay, when it's well chilled, we will preheat our oven about 5 minutes. Then we start to bake our tartlette shell. Okay, bake it at moderate heat, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have to bake it for about 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes, maybe up to 20 minutes. Okay, but we will check it at 20 minutes. Okay. Now it's done. It's nicely browned. So we'll take it out of our oven, and then we will take it from the tartlette shell. Okay, so okay, now our tartlette shell is done. Nicely baked. So 15 minutes only, don't forget. So now guys, I believe I have shown you my way of preparing this Pate Sucree, or the sweet tartlette shell used in preparing fruit tartlette. Next video, we will be making Pate Cream, the filling of the cream filling of the fruit tartlette, and also we will finish the fruit tartlette. So guys, see you next video when we finish our fruit tartlette. And by this time, first timers, now the time for you to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell just down there and give your honest comment for this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you next video when we finish our fruit tartlette. And this is Chef Ben Casamon signing off. And God bless us all.